Morning, beautiful people. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm showing you a picture of a bowl. This bowl is filled with water so birds can come in and bathe with it because we're having a heat wave. If you have a garden or any space, leave some water around. It will really help the birds, cool them down. I had a satisfied customer that was here just now, but he flew away before I could get him on film. It's a robin. But if I see him again, I will film him. So if you have a garden or any space, leave some water out for the birds. It will help them out a lot in this heat wave. Thank you, guys.